Yo, we're doing another ELA series. I'm gonna play OSU mouse only, my office mouse. Come on. I put skates on the office mouse because I'm like crazy. Should I run? I haven't played this since I like barely play OSU nowadays. Come on. We're doing mouse only though. Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm actually horrible. Oh my god, I'm like going way too fast. Sure, I never watched this show actually. Should I do that? One Punch Man season 3 coming up soon. Fuck everybody, keep going. No, I can't play this game, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Can't do that. Play some other game. Should I keep playing that? Nah. I have so much games. I don't know which one to play. That's the issue right now. So I have 6 hours in Overwatch. Jeez, I played 4 hours today. Oh my gosh. Should I play Rayman? I don't really like Rayman. Peggle Knights. What? Who is that? Got Matthew in this. I love this game so much, but I don't want to play it right now. I don't want to play anything right now. I just want to hop on something and just do things and then get off. We'll play Doom. Why is it a gigabyte, baby? That's crazy. Let me browse my Steam shop right now. Autumn sale. Stellar Blade. I heard this game was pretty bad. I mean, I guess not. Sons of the Forest. Peak. I heard that game was awful too. Far Cry Primal. Should I get that? Nah. Last of Us. Oh, this looks interesting. What is this? Does this make like your performance better or something? This looks interesting actually. Oh, wait, that's cool. Actually, I might add this to my cart. Get this one later. This looks cool. I'll get it when it's from like a higher sale. Straft Hat. I gotta play Straft Hat. That game is so good. But no one queues it for some reason. Starter. I could get that game again. I never played Terraria really. I should probably run that. Okay, Doom and Doom 2 is ready. We're gonna play this. It's about to be like so loud. Why is there like a million developers? I'll do the remake, sure. Yeah, I read that. Oh, they give you everything right now. May 20. Oh wow. Yeah, they give you everything. Let's play Doom then. Oh, this is a cool one. Yeah, we're gonna run this one. Ultra violence. Does it run well? Oh my god, the sense is so high. What crosshair do I like? Should I keep it like that? A bit smaller. Gameplay. Oh, is it input? It's a keyboard. Oh, can I change the sense? Yeah, I changed the sense a bit lower. It's still way too high. No, we're just gonna reset the crosshair. How do I reset? Okay, whatever. Size 200. There. Say it. Or just reset. Gameplay. No input. Sense. Oh, that's controller sense. Mouse. 24. 6, 7. I don't know why I said that. This is fine. I could play with this for sure. I wish I could look down though. It's okay. Hold on, how do I look down? We'll turn on smoothing, fuck it, why not? Wonder what that would feel like. Gameplay. Is there a way to, okay, I guess I just can't look down in this. Sure. This is pretty well made though, not gonna lie. I got pretty far on my GZ Doom playthrough and I just stopped playing it because I got bored. So yeah. I caught this for like $2. Okay, there's like a jump scare in this level, which I found pretty scary when I played it, but nowadays, man, I don't know, man. I'll clear this part though. Oh wait, actually, hold on. I want to see the other games. Oh, that's the wrong button. Oh, it's gonna take a while, isn't it? To load all this. Okay, I guess not. What is... Legacy of Rest 2024. What are these enemies? That's cool, it's Sigil. Let's see the gameplay of this. This was pretty cool though, I'm not gonna lie. I heard this one was really good. Yeah, but we'll play some... we'll play some... I don't really want to play any of these. Do 2. Ultra violence. That's what I'm saying. Get the chainsaw in the back here, always. If you ain't know there's a chainsaw in the back, you should. Wait, how do I uncut the FPS? Field of view? Oh. Oh, I can make this higher. Yeah, I'm gonna do that higher. View above it. I don't like view above it. Screen size. Yeah, I 10 is good. No. Is there a way to cut the FPS? I guess not. Oh my gosh, I'm ass. My bad, guys. I'm not playing this. What should we play, guys? Why is Gunfire Reborn updating, bro? I should play Momodora, bro. I haven't done that yet. Yeah, how long has it been? 11 minutes? That's the ELO series. See you guys.